Now, Congress MP Charanjit Singh Channi has backed Khalistani terrorist Amritpal Singh, who's now, of course, also been elected to power as a member of parliament. Channi, defending Amritpal Singh, has said 20 lakh people chose him as MP, but he's lodged in prison and therefore unable to put forward the views of his people. This is the statement that's come in from Charanjit Singh Channi backing Amritpal Singh, a man who's been accused of spreading Khalistani ideals and sympathies across Punjab. Let's get you the reaction from Channi in Parliament.
इमरजेंसी ये भी है कि 20 लाख लोगों द्वारा पंजाब में मेंबर पार्लियामेंट चुना गया और वो एनएस से लगाकर अंदर रखा हुआ है। फ्रीडम ऑफ स्पीच, उसकी कंस्टिट्यूएंसी के लोगों की बात यहां नहीं रख पा रहे, ये भी इमरजेंसी है।
So that's the statement that's come in from Channi in Lok Sabha. They're making a case for Amritpal Singh, saying that he was elected by the people, and hence, as a member of parliament, he should be here to be able to lend a voice to the people who voted and elected him to power as member of parliament. Remember, Amritpal Singh, someone who was arrested months ago, is currently lodged in a jail in Dibrugarh in Assam. Piyush Mishra is joining us with more details on the story. Piyush, Amritpal Singh, accused of stoking Khalistani sentiments across Punjab, accused of spreading violence in Punjab, now getting, in fact, backing from a member of parliament in the Lok Sabha.
Well, certainly, not only he is a member of parliament from Lok Sabha, but he is former chief minister of the state of Punjab, Charanjit Singh Channi, who is also Congress MP, coming out and demanding that he should be released. Remember that at the moment he said that Ravneet Singh Bittu, who is the Union Minister, opposed his demand. Now we'll have to see how it is further going to affect. But now the Congress is coming out in open in support of Amritpal Singh. You would also remember, Shadad, the day when he had taken oath as the member of parliament. His mother, Amritpal Singh's mother, had said that Amritpal Singh never spoke about Khalistan. He just speaks about the rights of youth of Punjab. Following which, we had also seen how Charanjit Singh Channi had come out and he had issued a statement against his own mother and had once again advocated for the cause of Khalistan. Now we are seeing how Congress MP is coming out in open and supporting Amritpal Singh. We'll have to see how BJP is going to further escalate this.
And there will be questions, Piyush, about whether this is a comment and a stand that's backed by his party, by the Congress. Do they stand by Mr. Channi when he makes these comments endorsing Amritpal Singh?
Well, certainly, Congress leadership will have to clarify if they endorse the statement of Charanjit Singh Channi. We'll certainly try to get a word from the senior leaders, be it Sonia Gandhi or Rahul Gandhi. They are also in parliament. The moment we find them, we'll also try to understand as to what are their views on this demand coming in from not only the member of parliament from Punjab, but also the former chief minister of Punjab, which has its border with Pakistan. And remember that Amritpal has been talking about the cause of Khalistan since so long, and he was also arrested by Punjab police a few months back, and he's in Guwahati Lodge in jail. Now we have to see how the Congress is going to react on this, and is this a demand of the top leadership of Congress party too?
All right, Piyush, thanks very much for those details. Big controversial comment being made there by Charanjit Singh Channi, former Punjab Chief Minister, now Member of Parliament, making a case for a man accused of indulging in Khalistani activities, going ahead and backing Amritpal Singh in the floor of the House. Let's play out for you what Channi said.
इमरजेंसी ये भी है कि 20 लाख लोगों द्वारा पंजाब में मेंबर पार्लियामेंट चुना गया और वो एनएस से लगाकर अंदर रखा हुआ है। फ्रीडम ऑफ स्पीच, उसकी कंस्टिट्यूएंसी के लोगों की बात यहां नहीं रख पा रहे, ये भी इमरजेंसी